Hello guys, this is OWERRI Artificial Beach and it's my first time to come here, and I will be taking you guys on this journey to show you the artificial beach here in OWERRI, Imo State, that was arranged by the governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma. You can see the beauty of everywhere. So this is my first vlogging video of the year, so I make time to come here to show you guys how everywhere look like. This is amazing. This is the river near that way house. You know the way house junction, you will see the river there. So the governor of Imo State make sure he arranged this place for entertainment based on Christmas time. So you can see this is beautiful. This is the river, this is the crossover. If you want to cross to the other side, you can see the beauty. So guys, in this video I will be taking you guys around to show you how everywhere look like. Make sure you do like, subscribe. So guys, this is Heartland Park Resort OWERRI, the Imo State artificial beach. You can see is located along this side when you are coming from Way House side. So if you are coming from Way House, coming down here, you will see the Imo State OWERRI artificial beach side, the Heartland Resort. Guys, so I'll be going down now to show you guys how this side look like. You know, it's very sunny, so I just want to do this video, to show you guys how everywhere look clean. This is OWERRI Imo State, the artificial beach side that you have not seen. Everywhere now is beautiful. I swear to God, everywhere is damn beautiful. So guys, we'll be going down. I will be showing you guys the Imo State artificial beach side, the Heartland Park OWERRI Resort. You can see the beauty from this side. You can see the beauty from this side going down. His Excellency the Governor Hope Uzodinma make sure December people enjoy this place. You see the beauty. So how will it be December time? This fence now that is coming from Way House side is very long. You can see it is very long going down to the other side. You can see how far it is. You can see how far it is. So this is the artificial beach. They recreated it to this beauty. They recreated it to this beauty. The thing went down. This is the artificial beach OWERRI. You can see it, guys. You can see the beauty here, the artificial beach OWERRI Imo State. So guys, I will show you guys the river, the water side. You guys will see the water side. You see, this is the artificial beach OWERRI Imo State. You guys can see it's very beautiful, very nice. So guys, let's go and see the water. They say they have, see the view here, guys. See the view. The view is extraordinary here, guys. This is the artificial beach Imo State. Oh my goodness, guys, you guys can see the beauty here. You guys can see the beauty. You see how they design and decorate this side. Oh my God, guys, people really enjoy here Christmas time. Guys, this is the water. You can see the Imo State artificial beach. Oh my God. Guys, you guys can see the beauty, man. You guys can see the beauty. You guys can see the beauty. Oh my God. This is the Imo State artificial beach, the OWERRI Imo State artificial beach. So guys, you see how everywhere look like. I just wish here is beach, guys. So I'll be crossing. I don't know how strong this is, so I'll be crossing, guys. Oh, let my phone not fall inside the water, bro. So this is the water here. This is the views. Christmas time here will be so lovely to visit, guys. You can see this is the artificial beach, Imo State. So I have to cross now, guys. I have to cross. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys, I have to cross. I have to cross. This is the crossover when you are crossing. So it's very strong. People that did this, you people try. This is the artificial beach, Imo State. You can see another side of the view side here. Very beautiful. Christmas time really entertain people here, bro. It's really entertain people here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my, you can see the houses here. It's a nice view here if you are living around this place. Oh my goodness, this is the artificial beach, Imo State. God of Nazareth. Guys, you can see the water. So guys, I will use the other side now to exit. This is the artificial beach, Imo State, OWERRI. So guys, I will use this second exit now to move out. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God, guys, you guys can see. So I'm using this side now to exit. Oh, this thing be strong. Guys, I've been hearing about this Imo State OWERRI artificial beach. So I make it out to come here. This place now is located, you know the river near the warehouse. Yeah, the river near the warehouse. If you are going down, if you stop at that warehouse side, just be coming down to your left, or not the Port Harcourt road side. If you are going like Port Harcourt road, you will see the river there near the warehouse. You can see this is the artificial beach, OWERRI. Child, we need beach here, oh guys. We need beach. You see how they use white sand, make everywhere beautiful. See, this is for Christmas flower. You can see. So guys, this is the artificial beach, OWERRI, Imo State. I really love this view. So thank you guys. I'll be going. Peace and love. This is this place. This is how they did it. It's so beautiful. You can see the fence. You can see everywhere, so beautiful. You can see everywhere is so beautiful. So guys, just subscribe, like and sub, guys. Like, share and sub. So this is the gate now. If you want to go out from this side, you from the exit gate. I'm going to the exit gate, guys. Peace and love. Just like and sub. Peace and love.